Hi guys! For today's video, magluluto po tayo ng vegetables in vegetarian mushroom soy sauce. So, gagamit lang tayo ng guys, tofu, chives, green bell, carrot, and bottle gourd. So, painit po tayo ng oil. Actually guys, yung madam ko po ay she is vegetarian for 2 months with no garlic, no onions, no butter, no eggs, no everything. So, tofu yung ginagawa ko. Yan, fry na natin yung tofu natin. Tapos, as a replacement of onion and garlics, I can use chives. So, sobrang bango niya guys. Para ding may may onion and garlic. So, lagay natin yung mushrooms. Ayan, halo-haloin na natin. O, di ba ang sarap? Ang sarap na nga tingnan eh. Tapos ihalo natin yung vegetables. Ayan, paghalo-haloin natin until na maluto siya. Ayan na guys, ang sarap po natin. Ang sarap po ng recipe natin ngayon. Vegetarian recipe, pero tastier. Sarap. Yum yum. Thank you guys for watching and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Charot. Ayan na guys, sarap. Okay, lagay na natin yung, sa panghuli natin ilagay yung green bell guys, tapos patayin na natin yung apoy para mas mabango siya at masarap. Thank you.